We drill the holes. Hello guys, and welcome to Rust and Diesel. My name is Ivan, and in today's video we're gonna work on this old tractor. So first of all, let me show you what we will tackle in this project. So what I have in plan for today's video, we need to make a new bracket for this, because this is all high chemistry and we're gonna need to fix that. Second, we need to change this part for the signal lights, and the wiring is, I don't know, it looks bad, so we're gonna check that. I have a new part for that and we're gonna change it. Next, what we're gonna do, we need to install some wooden plank here so people can sit on it. Also, we need to make brackets for that, drill a few holes here and there, and we'll see. I prepared some wood and I have some piece of metal for the bracket, and for the bracket for other thing. So we'll see what we'll use. This is the part for the signal lights. It's brand new. Let me show you. It looks kind of different, but I hope it works. And we have few other little things to check. I think we need to look into stop lights because they are not working. Probably we'll need to change some parts, but we'll see. So let's get working. So let's undo this old setup. Whoa. I don't even know how to remove this. So after some fight, I managed to undo it. And as you can see, we have a pre-drilled holes. So we only need to make bracket and then install it. So let's make a bracket and install it, so we can cross the first thing on our list. So let's get manufacturing. So I think we're gonna use this piece. We're gonna bend it at 90, drill few holes and install it. So let's work. I think this is fine. It's perfect for what we need it for. So We've managed to take the measurements for the hole. Now let's drill it. So we drilled the holes. Now let's install it. So now we need to install this folder here. We also need to mark for the holes and drill it. So that's it. Strong and sturdy, and it won't fall off. So now we're gonna work on this part for the signal lights. We need to change that. I have a new part. So let me put you guys somewhere and let's get working. First of all, we're gonna see if this fixes our problem, because now when you put a key in or contact and nothing's working, and nothing is working. Why? Oh, I unplugged the battery. So we need to hook the battery. Take this out. So let's remove the air intake. So you remove the air intake and you open up the hood. Yes, I left the battery unplugged. So plus on the plus and the ground minus, and it's okay. And yeah, we are working now. Now we diagnosed that this part is bad and we have a new one installed. So we'll remove this, and I don't know if we can hook this up somewhere, or we'll put it somewhere. Okay. As you saw, guys, I was playing a bit with this switch here, so, and now the both sides are working. So, but the problem is, if you want signal lights to work, you cannot just put it into position left or right. Yes, this guy is clicking, but you have to press it in and then to the side, and then it's working. And this side stays working, but this side don't. So we have a bad switch, and I don't have a new one but we won't switch it today in this video. When we buy it, we'll switch it. I don't know if we'll record it, but now we know that the problem is here and that the lights are working, but this guy was definitely bad, so I'm glad we changed that with newer one. This looks kind of old and used and abused. So we fixed the lights. So guys, what have we done next? But of course I forget to press the record button. We changed this switch for the stop lights. We basically removed the old one, put the new one in here. I don't know how well you can see. So basically what it do, it has this spring, and that spring pulls out this little pin, and that pin engages the mechanism in there, and then you have a stop light. So now we need to put the wooden plank here. So let's mark the holes, drill the holes, but before that we need to cut this bracket. I don't know if we'll cut it in half, drill the holes, we'll see. Let's get working. So now we're gonna cut the bracket for the extra seat. We drill the holes. Let's take the measurements of the tractor. We drilled some holes. Now let's install the bracket, and then we'll do the other side. So guys, that's it. Thank you all for watching this video. We've come to an end. We have to stop because it's pretty late outside and I have no more time. I'm tired, I'm going to eat and sleep. I work in the morning. But once again, thank you all for watching. Like the video, subscribe to the channel, click that notification bell. It will help this small channel a lot. And see you in our future videos. Once again, thank you and bye.